Lecture got you lost? Don't panic. Here is how to turn any lecture video into a full transcript, outline, and study guide in seconds, all using Askia. Step 1. Go to askia.ai. You can sign in or just start, no strings attached. Step 2. Click transcribe from URL, then paste in your video link, YouTube, or whatever you've got. I am using this really smart guy from the University of Michigan, but roll time. Just copy your URL and paste it into Askia. Askia can even translate your transcript into any language. You can finally pretend you paid attention in Espanol. Step 3. Hit start processing and let her cook. You'll have your transcript ready in like no time. But wait, this ain't just text. Askia gives you a full breakdown, every single word, anything. Then just export it PDF, Word doc, plain text, done. Talking point outlined with notes. Full outline, full brain power. That's Askia. You literally get a study guide auto-generated. Stuck on something? You can even talk to her right next to the transcript. Ask her to explain subjects, summarize, studying simplified. So yeah, one video link. Couple click, full transcript.